Hi guys, or welcome back to the channel. So I've got something totally different for you today. So council, so they get rid of road chippings, and Dad managed to catch one of the guys buying some eggs off us, and he said, how much you want to deliver? And he said £10 a load, 5 ton loads. What? That's cheap. So around here you could be looking at bags of stuff like that and shale and all sorts of stuff, you know. I've seen it like a ton, 30, 40, 50 quid. It's mad. And obviously you got delivery on top of that. So we've had 20 ton, 4 loads, as much as they could give us, and Dad is currently spreading it out, creating us our pathways finally. So it's not going to cover how much we need to get done, but it's going to make a hell of a difference. Last year, whenever you wanted to come up this way, wellies, always wellies, just dirt wellies, straight up, puddles, pools, legs of water. It was horrible. I just got really posh then, guys. No, legs of water. So this is just, oh, such a huge blessing. Yeah, Dad's just gone straight in it. One thing you've also got to remember, we are using a Fleming transport box as a bucket. Now, come on, how ingenious is that? So Dad had to cut the ram down because we haven't got a headstock for the tractor. So when Dad did was cut the ram down either side, fix that to the top of the transport box that would usually fit to the 3-point linkage. And he just made it fit with pins and bolts and stuff. There is a video on that way back when we first got it. That transport box has done a hell of a work as a bucket since we've got it. It's been insane. Down the bank. I have just gone down the bank. Right guys, so I'll probably not be out here when Dad's rolling it, so I would like to thank you guys for watching and also enjoying the video. Please drop us a comment down below. Follow us on the Instagram and Facebook page, Mowers Farm, Mowers Family Farm. Links are in the description, they're always in there. You just click on it, away we go. So let us know what you think. Obviously really we needed probably another 20 ton or so we could go down towards the barn, which we've started working on the lean-to. Some sheets have been cut off and we've got to put some RSJs which are over there in the ground and work the rivage across. Yeah, we could have done with a lot more, but that's all they had available, and they might not be here till next year now. Sounds like they haven't got any more roads on their list, but if they get any emergency ones, we'll get some more. So thanks for watching guys, let us know what you think, and I'll see you in our next video. Take care.